Lesson 11.3. Seagulls eat what? It states, 4 seagulls ate 10 pounds of garbage. Assume this information describes a proportional relationship. A proportional relationship says, plot a point that shows the number of seagulls and the amount of garbage they ate. And it says, use a straight edge to draw a line through this point and 0, 0. And we're doing that because it's telling us it's describing a proportional relationship. Then it says, plot the point 1k on the line. What is the value of k, and what does the value of k tell you about this context? So we know we have 4 seagulls ate 10 pounds. And on our graph here, we've got the number of seagulls on our x-axis and the pounds of garbage on the y. And we know that 4 seagulls ate 10 pounds of garbage. So I circled 4 and 10. The intersection of those 2 points is what we're going to plot. 4 seagulls ate 10 pounds of garbage. So we have the point 410. The next thing we're going to do is draw a straight edge from that point all the way down to the origin, 0, 0, because this is a proportional relationship. And we have our straight line. So 3 says plot the point 1k. How do I get this k value? Remember, 410 is like my x and y value on our graph, and k is always y divided by x. Y divided by x. So as long as I know 1 point, I can get that constant of proportionality. Our y in this case is 10, and the x value is 4. 10 over 4 is the same thing as 5 over 2, or 2.5. So when my x value is 1, my k value is 2.5. So I have 1 and 2.5. And notice on my graph, I'll make it nice and big, we can say we have 1 and 2.5. It clearly was right on our line, and that makes sense because it's a proportional relationship. Now it says the value of k is 2.5, but what does the value of k tell you about this context? Remember, it is about 4 seagulls eating 10 pounds of garbage, and we're assuming this is a proportional relationship. So if 4 seagulls ate 10 pounds of garbage, what that means is each 1 seagull, because that's the number of seagulls, that means 1 seagull ate 2.5 pounds of garbage. So I'm going to put 1 seagull ate 2.5 pounds of garbage. It's a way of interpreting that situation. It's the rate of how much food each seagull ate. So again, as long as we know 1 point on a proportional relationship graph, we can consider an x and y value, and we can get our k value, y over x. X value of that point is always 1. And so we had 1 and 2.5, and they gave us a little context to the rate of how much food each seagull was eating in this situation.